In this video, I'll show you how you can view Excel sheets and files side by side. Now, first of all, guys, you need to have at least two down here, otherwise you cannot view it side by side. What you need to do is you're going to select one of them, go to View up here, and select New Window. Now what this does is it opens another sheet just like this. And what you can do then is go to the View and press View Side by Side. This will open them side by side, as you can see. And now I have both of the sheets. Now what you can do in here is you can activate synchronous scrolling, which makes that if you scroll on one, you scroll on the other. Now another thing you can do is if you go to Arrange All, you can select how you want them to be. So you can choose horizontal or another one, and it will open them like this. Now as you can see, I can open them and I have them side by side. Now that's basically how you do it, guys. It's super simple and super easy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.